So good morning guys, my name is SANURA Ravi. I am a student of FHM Berlin, Automotive and Mobility Management. Today I will represent a research study on user preference regarding the willingness to pay for secure cycle parking ports to support sustainable mobility in the Berlin area. So this is study all about to know behavior about consumers to how willingness to pay for the cycling infrastructure and all, particularly Berlin area. So if this study is not done, then there are the chances of consequences like slow progress towards the sustainability goals. We cannot get on time achieve our sustainability goals. Second one is underutilized infrastructures. If we do not properly about consumer behavior, then these facilities might be built in that area where the demand is low. Third one is the missed opportunity for innovations. We cannot properly build service without knowing the consumer behaviors, and also occurring pricing mismatch. There are lots of research study already done in this area, but there are the few research study is only about cycling infrastructure. So there is a huge research gap in between that. So and my project is all about know behavior about consumers, like how much they want to pay about cycle infrastructure and what they want in this service, like safety features, prices, and all about. Here is my literature review. I found around 8,200 literatures regarding the cycle parkings in the Berlin, all about. So these are the huge amount of literature, so we need to refine the literature review. So I refine the literatures with this aspect, and I got finally 3 literatures with city level case studies or discuss pricing models and infrastructure features relevant to the urban cyclist. These are the 3 literature which I got, and these are the APS citation for that. My research question: to what extent does willingness to pay for secure cycle parking ports correlate with users' commitment to sustainable mobility practices in Berlin? So there are the 2 cases. Like one case is if customer is willingness to already committed to cycling, then they are highly willingness to pay for the cycling infrastructure, like secure cycling ports. And on the other hand, if consumer is not committed to cycling, then there are the on the other hand, if consumer is even committed to cycling service, but they don't want to pay for it, so it signals that there are some problems with this service, like a pricing mismatch, improper services, and all that. So my project is all about that. These are the study designs. These are the 3 study design which fit to my project, like cross-sectional survey study design, experimental choice modeling, and longitudinal study. In this I choose a cross-sectional survey study design because this is the mini project, and I have a very little time, so I have to collect quickly data. So this cross-sectional survey study design is help me to study about very quickly, and we can get quickly data with the many resources. And if we talk about other 2 this study design, they give me a deeper insight, but they take like long time, so we cannot finish our work in particularly time. So I choose this cross-sectional survey study design, and this is also time efficient and cost efficient. Now we will talk about sampling. Like I choose 3 sampling, like simple random sampling, stratified sampling, and convenience sampling. If we talk about simple random sampling, like in that we have to collect data with randomly, so it takes like lower rate is very low, response rate may be very low, and it's take also time. And if we talk about stratified sampling, so stratified sampling is all about we we have to divide a cyclist into various form. So these are the stratified sampling, and third one is convenience sampling. So in that we have to collect the data as per our convenience to go directly into transit station and the collect the data, and we can also collect the data via online sources. So I choose the convenience sampling for my research study design. These are the attributes which I decided to put for my research study. First one is the prices. I put three levels in that prices, like €5 per month, €10 per month, and €20 per month. Second one is at availability, like from home, same block as you live, one block as you live, and 5 block as you live. And third attribute is security. So I put three type of security system: basic, lockable, enclosed with keys. Second one is app based smart access, and third one is the individual locker with fully sealed unit. So these are the attributes. So after attributes, I created these 12 scenarios with this experiment design builder. So which I will use in my survey study design. So with using that 12 scenarios, I created this survey form. These are my survey form which I created with this survey study. After I got data from that survey form, and I converted it into machine reading form, like binary form, and these are the final outputs. For the running regression analysis, I hide the one level from each attribute. So these are the final data so after that, this is the regression analysis. Now I will run the regression analysis with this data, so you can get more idea about it. So firstly, go to data, then data analysis, then regression. Okay, our Y range is our rating. Our X range is our attributes and all. We need labels, confidence level. This is the new regression. Residual, standard residual, line properties, and okay. So this is our regression analysis. So this is the more refined form, this regression analysis. So here we got R-square value is 0.12. So it means that 12% variation in our ratings, and also we have total observation is 372. It shows that we have enough observations, and our intercept is 3.52. It means whenever our all attributes are at baseline level, our average rating is 3.52. and these are the p-values. These three p-values are less than 0.5. It means it's showing that we have a highly significant these three value, have statistically significant these three value, and others are not statistically significant. And the most highest coefficient is €5 per month prices. So it's the most important factors for our study design. These are the study regression equation for this study design. So as I already previously told that R-square value is 0.12%. So it means the 12% variation in our three attributes. Our R-square value is very low, but still it's showing something. Our sum of square errors value is 626.22, which is like unexplained variation in the model. Intercept, as I already told you, that intercept value 3.52 p value. Our 3 p value is less than 0.05. so that they are statistically significant, and others are statistically not significant. So these are the baseline profile and ideal profile, which I got from these charts. Firstly, our intercept, these are my attributes, and I calculated each of utilities. So which one utility is higher, that is my ideal profile, like in this 5 € per month, in this one block as you have, in this app-based security. So these are my ideal profile, and then after I converted it into attributes, importance table. So we got important for each, like this one is 50%. So we can clearly say that the price is most influential factors for this survey study, and then after security most important for the consumers. And these are the graph for this, and our baseline profile is like when we baseline profile is this, like we hide from our datas. So now I took a 3 profile from my survey study, and I calculated utilities for each, and then I compared with my baseline profile. So we can clearly see that baseline profile utility is higher than these three profile. So we can say that consumer most preferable profile is baseline profile. And also we can say that price is most influential factors for the consumers, and it is very important factors to build this service in the area. So thank you very much for hearing me.